Hello everyone, my name is Varun. I'm the bar manager at Comorin, Gurgaon. I'm really excited to make our signature cocktail of Comorin, which is called Pickled Pom Whiskey. So today we are going to make it. With the help of Makery, we are delivering these DIY kits at your doorstep. This kit contains salted pomegranate shrub bottles, that is our house made. Now, shrubs are like vintage mixers in which it's any plant-based, herb, sugar and vinegar. Our salted pomegranate shrub, it's a mix of molasses, little bit of salt, vinegar, sugar, thyme and temperature. You will also get this spice mix pouch bag in which there is coriander seeds, mustard seeds, chili flakes, bay leaf and a little bit of cinnamon. So let's start making a cocktail. Here we will use the spice mix pouch bag and we infuse it with the Jim Black aged whiskey, which is being aged in American white oak barrels for extra years of aging to give its whiskey's character, like the flavors of caramel and the warm oak notes. So here we have infused this whiskey for 20 minutes in this spice mix pouch bag, and we'll start making the drink, in which we are pouring lots of ice into the tall glass. So here I am pouring infused gin into the glass, say about half of the pouch, which is 60 ml, into it. Take this bottle, shake a bit and pour directly and topped up to the rim. Give a little stir to mix all the ingredients and garnish it with a bay leaf. Here you go. Here's a pickled pomegranate whiskey. You can order these kits from www.makery.in. Thank you and cheers.